Morning, morning, morning. How's everyone doing here? Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. How are you guys? How are ya? Really nice pullback. I like this pullback here. In spy shorts already? You're fast. Really nice pullback. Is Trump still speaking or he's done? Pullback long of Friday's highs? Let's see. 845, 840. That's a big pullback if we get Friday's highs. That's a big one. Yeah, let's get some good trades today. I think today, tomorrow are gonna be tricky. Tomorrow it's a big day. We have FOMC and we have two or three important earnings. Let me check again. What are the earnings that we have tomorrow? Tomorrow we have, let's see, Boeing. I don't know, I'm sorry, that's today. Tomorrow we have Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, ADP, and Starbucks, and IBM. ASML, it's also very important for semis. And we have Powell speaking at 2. Yeah, tomorrow is a huge day. Tomorrow it's a day to buy evals and pass them. That's what I do with Apex. I buy a bunch of evals. Most likely they're gonna come up with a discount. All props come with discount for FOMC because they know people like to trade FOMC and blow their accounts. Okay, I like this level here on NQ. Let's see if we can really hold it. That's yesterday's highs. Yes, definitely under yesterday's highs. The next big level that I have for ES is 972 and then 968. Why I have 968? No, 968, no. So it's gonna be here. And then the next one, it's gonna be here. It could definitely stop at 984, but we'll see. Look at that bounce on NQ. Beautiful, beautiful previous day highs bounce. That was clean. Very, very clean. Look at that bounce. That was perfect. That was perfect. We have QQQ rejecting the VWAP. SPY also having trouble at the VWAP. I kind of like these possible reaction here on ES. It's rejecting previous day's highs. Do we have data today at 10? I don't think so, right? Let me check. Oh yeah, we do have data at 10. A big one. I like a lot this reaction here on ES. It's reacting previous day's highs. Okay, I'm gonna wait. We're still holding PDH on NQ. Ah, thank you for watching the videos. Yes, I'll be adding more videos to the series. Um, I think I'll be adding 5 more videos. I think in total they're gonna be like 10 videos. And I'm very confident that if you really watch those videos, like the entire video, I know a lot of people don't really watch the candlestick video because they think they know how to read candlesticks, which basically, yeah, like the basics of candlesticks pretty like easy, but the way that I use candlestick is a little bit different. So I do think it's worth watching the entire video if you want to understand my how I read price action. Yeah, they're here on YouTube. Okay, so by now we can see how um jumpy the price action is, right? So we definitely need to be careful today. Yesterday also was very jumpy. Like early morning when the market started, where when the market opened yesterday, um it was a very strong and smooth uptrend, and then it got a little bit choppy. Right now today, so far, the market is very choppy. How I draw my lines, that's gonna come, but there is no secret for that. It's just levels. But yeah, that video is coming also. But I need you guys to like the video and leave a comment if you liked it. Because I don't know if you guys like the video if you don't uh leave comments, or you can leave a comment about what video you want me to do next. You were like number 45. Thank you. Yes, definitely a little bit stronger than NQ because it's holding previous days highs. No, I'm sorry. My bad. No, no, no. Both are pretty much doing the same thing. Both holding previous day high. I like this 995 hold on ES. Hmm. Thank you. Really nice 920 bounce. How I do my stop losses. So basically, I talk about my stop losses on the first video that I did for market structure. I have two videos for market structure, and in both I talk about stop losses. So you haven't watched those videos. On my free video course also I talk about how I use my stop losses. So you have a lot of info about how I use stop loss. We have data in 9 minutes and look at the market how it's moving already. Look at that move. 7,000 on ES, 706. Let's see how it's gonna react here at pre-market highs. And let's see how Enki is gonna react to the 40s. Yeah, this price action, it's weird. Well, yesterday was exactly the same thing, right? That is insane. Is it? Are we gonna have SPY at all-time highs? This is crazy. This move is crazy. I'm happy that I bought the dip with stocks. I bought a bunch of Meta, Apple. Okay, I like this reaction here. I really like this reaction on ES. And okay, no. And we have data in 4 minutes. You can buy as many accounts as you want. There's no a rule for that. The discount is gonna be applied to any accounts that you want. If you want to buy 1, 20, 2, 10, up to you. And the discount code is valid for every single account. I really like this reaction here on ES, but we have data in 3 minutes. So anything can happen. Pullback to PDH was so clean. on both NQ and ES. And this reaction also, it's very clean here on ES. NQ is definitely above pre-market high. We have data in 1 minute. Let's see how the market is gonna move with data. Okay. Okay, the market looks like it wants more upside. Yes, still rejecting here. I'm gonna try a rejection there. Yeah, let's see if I can have a pullback here. Let's see if I can have a pullback to down to the twos or 7,000. It's a little bit tricky because NQ is holding resistance as support, but ES is rejecting it. Come on, give me a pullback that I want. Okay. Give me a little bit more. I'm gonna start taking some profits here. Keep going. Okay, took some more profits there. Taking more. More. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I'm all out. Beautiful. That was nice. That was so clean. Who took that with me? That was beautiful. That was perfect. Perfect. Man, we've been killing it this week. This week it's been amazing. No red trades so far, or at least red days so far. Yep, that was perfect. That was perfect. That was beautiful. Be careful here with the 7K level on ES. Okay, I want to see some likes on the videos. Give me some likes. Perfect entry, perfect exit. I like this hold here on NQ. NQ is really trying to hold this pre-market high level. Yeah, this NQ hold is very, very interesting. But I don't know if I want to take any more trades because I don't love this jumpy price action. And I want to be like I'm careful this week. At least today and tomorrow. We have FOMC tomorrow. Perfect opportunity to pass evals, especially with Apex. Look at that candle. Yeah, I don't like this price action. We still have ES reacting, but we still have also NQ holding support. Yikes, look at that reaction on ES. Yeah, ugly price action. I think we got the best one. The best trade, well, no. I think the best trade was this pullback to previous day's high on NQ, to be honest. But that was too fast, too early for me. Most of the time, I don't like taking trades the first 5 or 10 minutes of the market open. Okay. This could definitely be a pullback long opportunity, but I would prefer if ES can hold this level as support. We're still rejecting here. Yeah, I don't. Honestly, guys, it doesn't matter what we think. We are day traders, so what it's important is whatever the market is doing right now. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care if the market goes a new all-time highs, it goes down 100 points. It doesn't matter to me. I trade price action, so I trade whatever I see that it's giving me a good setup. By the way, Apex is 90% off right now. I told you guys it was gonna come up with with a discount for FOMC. Remember to use Apex ADR for the discount code. Try it again. It is giving 90% off. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, very interesting how we can see ES stock at resistance, but NQ holding it as support. Which one is gonna win? Because yes, NQ is holding it as support, but it's not doing much. Yeah, SPY is holding pre-market highs, but you have Thursday high acting as reaction, and then you have Monday's highs, past Mondays, not these Mondays, and that's all-time high. So you have SPY literally like struggling to retest all-time highs. These are definitely choppy times. A lot of volatility, which is pretty good if you are on the right side of the trade. Yeah, the code is working. I'm using it right now. Are you sure you put in Apex ADR, not just ADR? You can use Apex ADR or ADR Apex. Both work. Just give it a little bit because the discount is the promo is new. It's working. Awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah, clear the cookies for Apex. Look at that ES reaction. It's pretty good. Hey guys.
Sup?
Ah.
Good morning.
You guys reached rich now? Richie Rich?
What?
Up
No.
here, we have a lot of hair.
We're still poor.
Still poor?
No.
What do you guys play today?
Maybe someday. I played some silver and was stressed out of my mind. Silver's crazy. And that's really all I did.
I played a ES reaction. Pretty good.
Oh,
That
nice.
big weird
Okay.
candle. Like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, that the huge pop down.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, nice. Yep. Yep. We called out this fair value gap 15 off the open, right? To sweep down through this 930 and reclaim and go. It did that, which was nice. I did not get in, but it
I think
did
the
work out pretty
cleanest one
nicely.
today was NQ pull back to PDH. That was so easy.
Yep.
But it was
Yep.
too early for me. I don't like taking trades the first few minutes of the market open. But that
Yeah,
was
that's the
extremely
one we
clean.
called out. Yeah, it was perfect. Yep. Yeah. PDH was also, like I said, you also had a 15-minute fair value gap right where that was as well. So it's a combination of a couple of confluences that all kind of made sense.
Yeah. I think it's a little bit difficult for ES to keep going higher here, and we're very close to pretty much all-time highs. Like first we need to break Friday's highs and then all-time highs, and we have a bunch of stuff coming up tomorrow.
Favorite day, ADR?
Huh?
Your favorite day is tomorrow for 1C.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
FOMC is my favorite day to pass evals.
It just so happens Apex offering 90% today. What a
Yeah,
coincidence.
I was saying it on the stream like before that came up. I said like most likely all props are gonna come up with discounts. That's always happens before FOMC.
Yeah.
They know
Well,
people
they want people
love
to blow 'em.
playing gambling FOMC.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's the move, right?
Mhm.
They wanna take advantage of the people that are gonna gamble on it.
Yeah. It's fun. I like playing it. Yes. MDS. 100%. It works. The rubber band strategy works. I do have a video where I explain how I do that. Um, let me see if I can find it.
A little slow this morning, though, I'll be honest, everybody. After that initial pop, that move, I mean, outside of that weird candle we got, it's been very slow.
Yeah.
It's a lot of waiting, probably, right? Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. Then we have earnings too coming up. Like it's probably just a lot of waiting. Not a lot of people entering the market, getting involved right now. It doesn't make a ton of sense for them.
I mean, I
Although I may
came
say
here
that silver.
today thinking of not taking any trades.
Yeah, I think that was probably a fair assessment going into today, right?
Yeah.
That can make sense. These pre-FOMC days can be real shitty.
I do like a lot this NQ hold, but I don't feel like
Oh, this ES
trading
looks like
anything
crap.
else
I
today.
yeah, this is I've been saying this for a while, is that like although I like that NQ's holding this 26,045 50 area consistently and it looks good, ES is below this PMH. And it's
Yeah.
been below the PMH all morning. It hasn't looked like it wants to get above. So I'm a little torn as to, is one gonna pull the other or push the other? What are we gonna do?
Mm-hmm. So what's pretty strong on tech? Is it Apple? Nope. Oh, Nvidia. Nvidia had a very nice move today. Really clean. Keeps bouncing off of 186.
Mhm. I mean, Apple's up still pretty nice today.
Yeah.
A lot of that was pre-market, right? Realistically, we haven't done
Mhm.
much since open. Kind of stayed flat.
Yeah, I'm still holding my position on Apple.
That was now looking back at Nvidia, that was a really nice previous day low hold.
Mm-hmm.
Like holy moly, absolutely rocketed off PDL on Nvidia at the open. But we're kind of now between PDH and PDL on Nvidia, so that's an interesting situation too. Yeah, and she's still holding that level.
Yeah.
540 on gold was nice. Well, 5050, 5040.
Yeah.
Triple bottom.
I want to see gold pulling back to at least 995, 992.
I'm on ABR for 4,500.
Honestly, I don't like how gold is moving today. I'm not touching
No,
that.
it's ranging between 40 to 82.
No. I haven't checked
I mean, if you
silver
want to
today.
sell,
I sold everything yesterday.
Oh, yeah, Apple and everything.
Silver.
that was a nice trade. Ross,
RTY.
which account are we getting?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'd rather buy the flex right now over even lucid. I kind of want to break my curse with MFU, get a payout.
Get the
I would like you
rapid.
to.
The rapid?
Get the rapid.
I
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, I'm gonna check
The
it out.
first,
so yes,
my first
the rapid
trade.
is cool.
Yeah, my first trade, I aimed to get it above the 2K. And then I just went from there. I'm gonna get more of those.
Oh,
Not bad. $125 after discount. Still a bit more pricey than Tradeify though.
I haven't traded with Tradeify since the Project X fiasco. They never reimbursed me or gave me
well, so you were done with them. Yeah, that's
yeah.
tough.
Guys, you see after silver reclaimed the 13 eve, it consolidate and it right back up. So those little details is what keep you from getting stuck in the wrong side of the trade. 120, 107.29 just reclaim. First stop is 108.012.
Ooh, look at
And
that
from
move on
there,
NQ.
it was
Perfect
Mhm.
pullback longs.
Again, it's holding
That
that.
was clean.
All right, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, that was super clean. Again, like this has been the thing. That's looked like a great level all morning,
Mm-hmm.
but ES is consistently all morning looked like it doesn't want to go. Right. And
Yeah.
this is the challenge, right? Is if you're watching both, if you're only watching one, you would have seen NQ and like, yeah, this is great. This looks fantastic. You're watching both, which I try to do. They're conflicting for me. ES gets back over, like I said, this high. It gets over the 7,007-ish area, then I think we're in a much better spot. But until it does, I think we're kind of chilling. Yeah, I remember with Tradeify getting in constantly like, what? Why is this so expensive? Which is wild. Like they all understand that these are sim accounts. There's actually no
Mm-hmm.
fees. All fake, right? Like so, it's crazy to
Yeah,
me.
how does that work? They make money off of fees also? Maybe?
So that well, in sim accounts they don't. They just you
Uh-huh.
just get less profit. That's all they're doing.
Mm.
They're just giving you less profit, right? Because this is all paper.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
You're not actually entering the market, exiting the market. No,
Yeah.
that's none of that is actually happening, right? There's no commissions or fees being taken because nothing's actually being done, right? Besides some code that just says, "Hey, you got in here and exited
Mm-hmm.
there." So the fact that it's different among all the different prop firms is wild to me.
Tradeify
We're
were the
top
first
segment.
ones to do the 90-10 split on sim on your first like payouts. Because before it was like once you reach 10K, it's 90-10 split. But Tradeify was the
Yes.
first ones to say, no, all sim profits now are 90-10.
I'm pretty much done for today, but I really want to see if ES is really gonna hold here.
Yeah, ES needs to.
Mhm.
and you're in a very good shape in that long. If you can stay above 107.80, you can easily test 108.
Got NQ. That was a very clean 3-bar play on NQ on the 30-minute time frame. Very clean, also break and retest. So surprisingly, NQ, it's been very clean all day.
Yeah, NQs look great. NQs looks really
That's
good.
why it's snowing. Sorry, guys. Guys, I'm gonna excuse myself. My kid needs me. So I'll catch you guys
Go
later.
for it.
Talk to you
All right,
tomorrow.
Sasha. Have a good
Later.
one. See ya.
Have a good one. You guys not saying much because there's not a lot to jump in on here, right?
Mhm.
Like not much for me to say, hey, dive in.
Yeah, so ES is definitely breaking resistance.
Yep.
Kinda looks like it wants to hold it as support, but it's difficult to trust this price action. Even though it's been
Up
moving
over
very, very
695 and a
clean.
half on SPY looks good, right? Now that we're doing it. Now that we're up above it, that looks pretty promising
Mhm.
for more upside.
Yeah.
But we may get very little volume today. Let's see. Let me check bookmap real quick and see what we're looking at. 26-1 has like 80 cons, like 100 cons. It's been there for a little bit, so that's a decent little block there. Yeah.
So with this big move and FOMC and big earnings coming up, where are we gonna go? Are we gonna make new all-time highs? Well,
I mean,
well, the market could
what else we
die
do?
right before close, so that could very possible too. That's very possible too.
Yeah, that's true.
Imagine it dies and then Microsoft and Meta bring it right back up.
Yep. I
So
would. It
many
wouldn't
good
be the first
scenarios
time.
tomorrow. Maybe I'll grab some MFU for tomorrow.
FOMC is the kind of one that you kind of want to wrap it of some sort, or something that does have zero consistency in the eval,
Yeah.
right? Those are the ones you're
Uh-huh.
trying to like slam
Apex.
through. It was just Apex, but I
Mm-hmm.
don't want to trade Apex personally. So cheap though, at $20 a whack,
Yeah.
like so cheap. Plenty of bullets to take shots at it, sure. That's still oh, this is I mean, it looks good, right? Like finally got over that 7,006, 7,007 area that I had a problem with for ES, and now it's kind of looking great. Still not like nothing crazy, not a lot of volatility, not a lot of movement, just clean. Looks good.
Yes, you can trade news events with Apex. Yes. You can't with TPT. What else? I don't know which one has consistency rules on evals. I think TPT has, right? Or either way, you have to trade for 5 days. The select also on Tradeify, you need to trade for 3 days to pass them. I haven't traded my funded futures in a while, to be honest. And they change they change the rules and come up with new plans all the time, so I'm pretty lost with them.
That's one of my things, ADR.
Mhm.
MFFU is just like, I swear to God, every other week we have a new plan, a different plan died, something changed. It's really confusing.
Yeah.
It's tough to keep up. I do kind of like what Tradeify did in terms of we have one account.
Mhm.
Here's the eval, here's the plan kind of thing. Well, outside of directed funder, right? Here's your thing, take it once you pass, decide what you want to do. Like
Yeah.
that's kind of an interesting
Mhm.
concept, right? Try to simplify the initials, start.
Yeah, like I bet my funded futures, every time they change things, they lose customer. Like I cannot keep up with all that. Like I'm so confused with everything and they have so many options. Like I'm like, yeah, no, thank you.
Yeah, this still looks good.
Yeah, really nice move to the upside. We have ES now at resistance. Well, it can go a little bit higher. I like it more around 17, 16 ES. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades today, guys. NQ was very,
Yeah, I
very
don't either.
clean, but I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, SPY just hit all-time highs.
Wild.
But ES has a lot more to go for that. Yep. Yeah, I'm done. I'll be here tomorrow, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Um, Thank you for being here, guys. And remember to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.